जोड़ के वर्ती ज्वेल्स आप सभी को प्रस्तुत करा है। एंड आई एम श्योर यहाँ पर जितनी स्पेशली लेडीज जो बैठी है, मैं आपको प्रॉमिस कर सकती हूँ कि वर्ती ज्वेल्स ही है, बिकॉज वी हैव द वन एंड ओनली मेगा स्टार, somebody who needs no introduction, Shilpa Shetty Kundra, right here with us. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. And Shilpi from SBN Jewels with me.
Everybody welcome here. I'm very glad to see you, everybody energetic. So thanks everybody lot for coming to this show. And I want to thank Shilpa ji for taking her specious, very special time and coming out and inaugurating our store Varti. Now I want to just go and tell you, we were there past 20 years in this market in the name of Art India. So after 20 years of time, now I think so it's time to grow. So we have started for the retail outlet and we have joined hands with SBN Jewels and we have started the new brand Varti. So this Varti will be for retail outlet of chain stores. So this has been a very big moment for our store. After a long journey of 20 years, we are coming out for the retail. So this is an entirely different and new collection we are going to start here. And this is the first store which we have started here. And I would like that more and more stores should be inaugurated by Shilpa ji. From here it will start this journey and will move forward. So thanks once again. And we have a very good designing part from Shilpi. So we both have tied up for this particular brand and we have started this in a very big way. And thanks once again Shilpi ji for taking out your special timing and coming out and inaugurating the show. Thank you very much.
To everybody as a Varti Jewels, and I welcome you all to Varti Jewels, and I'm really very glad to see you all, and I think because of you only everything is possible, and hopefully thank you and thank you. Next is your turn.
आई थिंक इनके जो मन की जो खुशी है वो समा नहीं रही है, इसीलिए जो इमोशन है कुछ ज़्यादा ही है.
Everyone present, members of the press, Narendra ji, Shruti, thank you so much for inviting me. And as you all know, मुझे ज्वेलरी का बहुत शौक है. तो ऐसे इवेंट्स करना मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि एक फील भी मिल जाता है कि अभी मार्केट में नया क्या है. और शोरूम में जाने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि obviously they're in the business for 20 years because they're really good at what they do. So congratulations to Varti Jewels and this new venture, and I'm sure you guys are going to make a mark for yourselves even in this market, because I love the jewelry. I'm wearing one of their creations. Especially for women who travel and don't want to carry real jewelry and still have major events to go to and attend. I think it's a great way to kind of switch with this kind of jewelry, because even I wouldn't know the difference between real and art decor or imitation jewelry. But saying that, I think they've got a great range from 2,000 to nearly 2 lakhs and an array of jewelry to pick out from. So hearty congratulations to
Thank
them.
you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for encouraging.
For their wedding and picking out wedding jewelry, I would just say that buy jewelry that you can actually also use after your wedding, because otherwise sometimes we invest so much money into jewelry that is only of one-time use. Where you're going to wear all that jewelry. So wear small pieces which you can actually change and change the centerpieces. And wear jewelry that you can actually make use of even in the future. But I think today's brides are far more cooler और ज्वेलरी की दुकान बनना पसंद नहीं करती अपने वेडिंग डे पे. तो they like to wear simple stuff and still look very dressy.
Right. Thank you very much, ma'am. I think your advice is absolutely spot on, especially for our Mumbai girls.
I think it would be my heart-shaped solitaire, because this was kind of my commitment ring, and this has a lot of memories. even more than my own wedding ring. So yeah. बॉलीवुड में why only बॉलीवुड? हाँ मेरी मदर इन लॉ है जिनको ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है, मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉज जो इंडिया में रहती नहीं लंदन में रहती हैं और उनको इंडियन ज्वेलरी बहुत पसंद है, तो उनको डेफिनेटली मैं कभी कभार यहाँ से चीज़ों को पिकअप करके उधर लेके जाती हूँ ओनली फॉर देम. सो दे लव लाइक सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एंड यू नो चांद बालीज. सो या आई लव पिकिंग अप ज्वेलरी फॉर देम.
What do you like, diamond or gold?
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Ma'am, you also design jewelry, so how you do that?
No, I enjoy the creative side of things. A lot of people just taking off. So, yeah, I love designing stuff. Like even this has been designed by me. Whatever pieces I wear, I like an originality to it. I always like to wear something that people would want to maybe copy. So even if it means my Mangalsutra bracelet, which I feel now nearly 50% of the young girls are wearing on their hands. आजकल मंगलसूत्र गले में कोई नहीं पहन रहा है, बहुत कम लोग पहन रहे हैं, स्पेशली द वर्किंग गर्ल्स. लेकिन ये ऑब्वियसली एक it's a sign of our culture and keeping modernity in mind and still keeping that ethos of Indian culture in your heart. I think it's a nice blend of flaunting both. Yeah. नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल बिजनेस वूमन नहीं हूँ. मुझे बस अलग चीज़ें करना पसंद है और कभी कभी कुछ काम कर जाती हैं, कुछ नहीं. एंड लेकिन आप लोगों के लिए और मुझे लगता है मेरे फैंस के लिए मैं हमेशा आई ऑलवेज बी नोन, और मेरी पहचान जो बनी है वो एक्टर की बनी है और फिल्मों से बनी है, तो वो हमेशा रहेगी.
सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर लोग मिस करते हैं, कोई वापस
अरे पैसे नहीं है, डीमोनेटाइजेशन की वजह से यार. पैसे पिक्चर बना नहीं रहा है अभी. पहले 2-3 आ रहे थे, अभी कोई नहीं आ रहा. हाँ, एक नरेंद्र मोदी जी है, एक इधर नरेंद्र जैन जी है. नरेंद्र जैन जी. ज्वेलरी के साथ साथ आपका कोई मतलब सिल्वर के साथ सिल्वर स्क्रीन पे कुछ करने का कोई इरादा? बहुत खुशी है. हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, लेकिन बहुत खुशी होती है जब किसी चीज़ को इतनी सक्सेस मिलती है. तो आई एम जस्ट बास्किंग इन द सक्सेस एंड आई एम जस्ट अ स्मॉल कैटलिस्ट. असल स्टार्स जो हैं हमारे सुपर डांसर्स हैं और जो हिस्सा ले रहे हैं. आई थिंक दे आर रियली अ बंडल ऑफ टैलेंट. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द शो.
Any upcoming Bollywood movie you are looking forward
नो यार, कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. अभी डिसाइड ही नहीं किया है.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू. इसका इस फंक्शन से क्या लेना देना? सही कहना चाहिए. नहीं, but I think both of them are very hot and they're doing so well, not just here but also internationally. So I feel very proud as an Indian, So and I think both are super hot. So yeah, good luck to them.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
बड़े स्क्रीन पे क्या करना चाहेंगे? तो आई वुड ड्रीम टू टेक माई वर्ती ब्रांड to collaborate with whichever show she is making, and I would like that she wear my jewelry more and more.
Yes.